Good day, madam. My name is Wong with matrix number 277813.
Greetings and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Ikram bin Mohsin. My matric number is 281036. And I'm here today with my partner Wong in order to discuss about association mining and its application in the education domain. But before we get started on that, let's start with an overview of KDD. KDD stands for Knowledge Discovery in Databases. It is the process of extracting valuable knowledge and insights from large volumes of data. KDD involves several steps, including identifying sources, data pre-processing, data mining, evaluation and presentation, and applying knowledge. For this presentation, we will be discussing a sub-step in data mining called association mining. This step focuses on discovering interesting associations, patterns, and relationships in the data. Now, let's see how association analysis can be applied in the education domain. In curriculum design, association analysis can be used to analyze student performance data and identify patterns of course combinations that lead to successful outcomes. For example, by applying association analysis to historical data, we may discover that students who have taken a certain combination of math and science courses have a higher likelihood of excelling in subsequent computer science courses. This information can inform curriculum planners and academic advisors in designing optimized curriculum plans and suggesting prerequisite courses for students. Another application of association analysis is in learning analytics. By mining association rules from learning management systems or LMS data, we can identify patterns of student behavior and academic performance. For instance, we may find an association between frequent engagement with online discussion forums and higher grades in a particular subject. This insight can help plan programs such as encouraging students who are less active in online discussions to participate more actively, thereby improving their learning outcomes.
Next, I will continue with the third use case, which is recommender systems. So, association analysis can also be utilized to develop intelligent recommender systems for educational resources. By analyzing patterns of resources usage, such as textbooks, online materials, or educational tools, we can discover associations between different resources and student performance. For instance, we might find that students who have used a particular online learning platform and a specific set of supplementary materials tend to achieve better results. This information can be leveraged to build personalized recommender systems that suggest relevant resources to students based on their individual needs and learning preference. The second challenge is the interpretation and the actionabilities. Interpreting the associations discovered through analysis and translating them into actionable insights can be challenging. For example, discovering an association between students' engagement with online materials and improved academics performance does not provide a direct solution. Further investigation and consideration of additional factors such as student motivations or learning styles are necessary to derive meaningful implications and take effective actions. The second challenge is the interpretation and the actionabilities. Interpreting the associations discovered through analysis and translating them into actionable insights can be challenging. For example, discovering an association between students' engagement with online materials and improved academics performance does not provide a direct solution. Further investigation and consideration of additional factors such as student motivations or learning styles are necessary to derive meaningful implications and take effective actions.
In terms of future opportunities, association analysis can pave the way for personalized education by identifying specific patterns and associations that help tailor learning experiences for individual students' needs. For instance, by analyzing associations between student performance and various learning resources, we can develop personalized recommendation systems that suggest relevant materials or adaptive learning paths based on each student's strengths, weaknesses, and preferences. Another future opportunity is that association analysis can contribute to continuous improvement in education by identifying effective teaching methodologies, optimizing curriculum design, and refining educational policies. For instance, by analyzing associations between teaching methods, student engagement, and academic outcomes, we can identify specific instructional approaches that lead to better learning outcomes. This information can guide educators in selecting and refining their teaching strategies. So that's all from us today. Thank you for your time.